Now this is not a nature lover. Rubbish is harmful to the ecosystem.
Mbali, I think it's time you take out the trash.
Yeah, you're right, Clint. Nature lovers, when you are in protected reserve areas, it's important that you do put litter in the bin.
That's right, Perps. Mbali and Clint are cleaning house in nature.
Nature lovers, what you don't do is pollute any part of a reserve or bathe or clean anything inside protected bodies of water. Swimming idea, right? Till next time, keep conserving nature lovers. #don't be trashy.
Yeah, and we'll keep protecting and serving nature. Nature lovers.